we're going to take them with us into the woods. Get them off the road anyway.
Yeah, so he doesn't get any.
I'm Andy and this is
Kaiden.
And today, being that it's such a nice day in November, we decided to go for a little nature walk, see if we can find some animal tracks to make casts of, and then we're going to make animal track cookies later today. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's have some fun.
That kind of sticks out kind of like
My turn.
What do you suppose does that?
Some tree.
That is an awesome root. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Gone.
Drive master right here, powder.
Oh, there's just a little bit there.
I think maybe if we leave it in this box, it might stay good enough for us to find a couple more tracks if we do it quick enough.
I'll mix it.
Okay.
Mix. Found a whole bottle.
What we're supposed to use. Pour a little bit of this in here. It's already setting up, it looks like.
That is bad. That.
Just take this and kind of smooth it out a little.
I need to.
Now we're gonna go for a little bit of a walk because this has to dry for a little while. So let's go see what else we can find to get a cast out of in.
That looks like a pretty cool stick, dude.
Until this happens.
What? Just pull it out like that.
Put up on top of this mouse filming. I want this one. Can you put it
Look at this. Let's get it.
Kaiden, come here. Come here, quick. No.
This tree is 3 years old.
Don't do anything. What do you think did that there? That's gonna work out. Look at me.
Whoa!
Okay, so we're gonna take it home like this, and then we gotta go home and let it dry more. I think it said 2 or 3 hours. And then we'll take a toothbrush, and we gotta be like, what are they called? Help me out here. Not my guy, archaeologist. Right? You don't wanna bang that up. So let's get this together. Right there, Dad. Check it out. Check it out. Right there. So there's the deer prints. Here. Tell YouTube what we did here.
No,
Tell them what we did. Okay, so we had to go in the woods and we find what?
deer prints.
A deer print, and then what did we do? We mixed up some plaster of Paris and then
we dumped it on it.
dumped it on the track. And then we had to wait a while for it to dry.
So we went on a walk.
Found some ice, and then we came back and pulled it out. And now we have to let that dirt dry some more so that we can brush it off and see
Brush
if we
it
can.
off and eat it.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, this was like a special edition Kaidens Korner.
Cookie.
Mom was the star with you instead of Dad.
Show them. Can you see the print in there?
Can you
So that was pretty cool, and I think once we take the dirt and clear it off, we'll be able to find some leaf fossils in there.
Well, I had a lot of fun today, Bud. How about you?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite part of the day?
Running down the steep hill.
Running down a steep hill?
Yeah.
Did you find anything on the nature walk, like troll homes or...
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but we didn't actually see furniture in it.
You didn't see furniture in it?
No.
Oh, man, maybe next time, huh?
Probably they're just moving in, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, well, I have lots of fun filming Kaidens Korner with you, and I hope you enjoy filming it with me.
I do.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
So remember, we do Kaidens Korner's videos.
Every 2 weeks.
And remember to...
Subscribe and like us on Facebook. And ring that bell.
That's
Ring
right.
that bell.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
And put a view. I need 100 views, please. Please.
So until next time, I'm Andy and this is...
Kaiden!
And we'll see you on the next Kaidens Korner. Peace.
Roll down the hill. In my head right here. Could you imagine being down here, that thing rolling down the road it was?
No home.
A gnome home. Show me.
And little one's running.
Are you ready now, Dad?
Yeah.
We told you it's quicksand.
I'm gonna have to wash them shoes off.
Wow.
Yeah,
Even your pants has quicksand.
I know.
Like us on Facebook and stay up to date on everything happening at the shop. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more Wild River Archery content, check out these great videos.